Yo, it's just good to be back. Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this VGR with the model number V952. Alright. So, this VGR got 1.5 hours charging time and 90 minutes operating time. Got 600 milliamp lithium battery. You can use it cord or cordless. Got a USB Type-C charging. Alright. So this unboxing gonna be really quick, and I'm not gonna show anything about how it cuts or something like that, because most of the barbers in my city are on holiday. Charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C. 4 guards, little brush, and oil, and you got a manual. So this is the trimmer. It's all blackout. With a VGR logo, the power button, USB charging, I unboxed something similar like this before, but the blade was like a wall T-white blade, but this one, it's and this blade, you can easily put on this GTX blade, but putting a blade on this one, it's very, very difficult the way they did it. You can zero gap it. It's possible to be zero gapped, but very difficult. Some sound check. It's not a fast trimmer. You see that? 5,500 RPM. It's not a fast streamer. I don't know, maybe you can change the motor and put a stronger motor, a faster motor. I don't know. I haven't make a tear down or something like that, but yeah, I don't know. So this is how it looks like. See that? It's plastic, and that's not really good, So this is it, the cam follower. To zero gap this blade, it is very difficult because you have to put a screw here, then push this to the other side and unscrew it a little bit. It's a little bit difficult.